The first couple weeks taking Mulane can honestly be kind of disgusting because your body finally starts moving all that junk you've been holding on to. Toxic mucus buildup and that chest congestion you didn't even realize was there. Now, obviously, you'll be coughing more and more and clearing your throat more, but also breathing deeper than you have in a long time. Not to mention, since my lungs are moving oxygen better, my skin has been glowing. So yeah, it's definitely not cute, but it's real. Most people don't even realize how much congestion they're carrying until they start clearing it out. Mulane helps loosen and move all that built up mucus. That's why Super Lungs works, but it doesn't just stop there. It also has marshmallow root to soothe irritated airways, reishi mushroom to support oxygen efficiency, elderberry to bolster your immune support, and 3 more lung supporting herbs and concentrated extracts. After I quit smoking, I tried everything to help me breathe better. This is the only thing that actually made a difference. So if you smoke, vape, used to smoke, or even just live in a polluted city, this matters. The only downside is sells out fast. So if you see the link on this video right now, don't wait. Plus they got a 90-day money back guarantee so you can try a whole bottle risk-free.